On the SmartSchool homepage, locate and click the Get Started button. This will take you to the school registration form. Complete the form by entering your school's information. This includes school name, school email, school phone number, school province, school city address. You will also need to upload your school's logo once all the fields are filled. Click the Submit button at the bottom of the form. After submitting the form, a message will appear instructing you to verify your email. Open your email inbox and find the verification email from SmartSchool system. Click on the Verify Email Address button within the email to confirm your account. After verifying your email, you will be redirected to the login page. Return to your email inbox and open the second email from SmartSchool system, which contains your login credentials. Copy the temporary password provided in the email. Go back to the SmartSchool login page and enter your registered email address and the copied password. Click the Login button to access your school's dashboard.